Multiple sources of income. You've heard of that before. Rich people have multiple sources of income. In fact, before we do anything, comment below and let me know how many sources of income do you have right now coming into your life and coming into your business. Let me tell you something that no one talks about and why I believe for 99% of the people watching this video right now that multiple sources of income is a bad idea. Number one, it takes a tremendous effort to build up just one source of income. It takes a lot of time and effort just to sustain one source of income. When you try to do so many things, put in a comment, what are some of the things you're doing right now to bring in multiple sources of income? Maybe you're doing drop shipping. Maybe you're trying to make money from the stock market. Maybe you're doing day trading. Maybe you're doing real estate. You do so many things. A jack of all trades, a master of none. How much money, be honest, are you making from each thing? So instead of trying to make a little bit of money here, a little bit of money there, a little bit of money here, a little bit there, you never get good at anything. And that's number two. That is skill development. Imagine this. Let's say you want to learn martial art and you want to master the art of fighting. This week, you're gonna go take a taekwondo class. Next week, you go take a karate class. The week after, you go take a boxing class. And then next month, you go take a Wing Chun class. And then you take a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu class. How good would you be after 5 years on all these skill sets and all these martial arts? Not very good. Why? Because you never take the time to master just one thing. You learn a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You never get good at anything. It's the same in business. When you try to diversify, when you think you're being smart, let me learn different things. Guess what? You never learn anything in depth. Versus someone who say, you know, I'm gonna pick this one thing. I'm gonna devote the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years to this one thing. How good do you think he or she will be? That's the difference. Number three, now you might say, but Dan, don't rich people have multiple sources of income? They have real estate, they have their companies, they have businesses, or they have stocks, or they have even cryptocurrency, they have many ventures, many companies around the world or investments around the world. I don't understand, like this contradicts of what I heard from other people. Yes, rich people, we do have multiple sources of income. Yes, we do have multiple investments, and yes, we do have multiple companies. After we get rich, after we have made the money from that one big source of income first. So here's my suggestion for you. Now, I'm generalizing this, depends on your income level, depends on where you live, because our fans are all over the world. Pick one source of income and get that to a minimum of the 10K level a month first. Then just maybe you can diversify and look at something else, or maybe not. If you can make $10,000, $20,000 or $30,000 from one thing, why the hell do you want to do so many things? You tell me, why do you do so many things? Just pick one thing, focus before you're rich, then diversify after you get rich. If you want to know what is that one source of income that you should focus on, what is that one thing that if you get that, it will get you everything else, click on the link below. I will invite you to a special masterclass that I'm gonna teach you what is that one thing. Ignore everything else. What is that one thing that you need to work on today?